Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to use Kaiber AI to bring your stories to life for free. With Kaiber AI, it will bring your dreams to life and tell stories like never before with our advanced AI generation engine. But before we start, if you want to keep up with the newest AI tools and learn how to use them well, this channel is perfect for you. We share updates and easy to follow videos on making the most of AI tools today. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Your support helps us in keeping or making videos like this. Now, let us get started. First and foremost, the initial step is to establish an account in order to access this platform. Therefore, please launch your preferred web browser and visit the Kaiber.ai website. Afterward, select the Start Free Trial option. You have the option to either input your information and complete the registration process or simply sign in using your Google account to proceed. Once that is done, feel at ease while answering these questions. There are no incorrect responses here. These questions are designed to tailor your experience to your preferences. As you can observe, initiating a free trial on this platform requires entering our payment details. There is no need to worry because it won't incur any charges. It is completely free, and you have the option to cancel it at any time. However, it is important to remember that if you decide to cancel, you should do so before your free trial expires to avoid a late cancellation fee of $5. Now, before we proceed with anything else, let us take a look at the pricing options available if you decide to subscribe to their plans after the initial 7 days. They offer 3 plans: Explorer for $5 per month, Pro for $10 per month, and Artist for $25 per month. It is worth noting that the more expensive the plan, the more credits you will receive. To continue, all you need to do is provide your payment information and then click on Start Trial. Once that is done, you will have the access to the platform. Keep in mind that as a free user, you will have 100 credits at your disposal. On this platform, you have the option to select a video type. As you scroll down, you will also have the choice to start with an initial image, modify an existing video, or add a soundtrack. Don't fret, I will be covering these options in detail in upcoming videos. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel. For now, let us click on Just Start Writing Prompt. Here, the process is quite straightforward. Begin by crafting a prompt that you'd like to see in your video, keeping it clear and easy to understand. Then, you can simply select your preferred style. Next, delve into the video settings. You have the freedom to choose the video's duration, aspect ratio, camera movement, and even add a song if you wish. You will also be informed about the number of credits required for your selections, ensuring full awareness. Keep in mind that different videos may consume varying amounts of credits. Once you have completed these steps, click on Generate Previews and patiently wait for the processing to finish. Afterward, select your preferred video preview and click Create Video. The system will then begin generating your final video, so please allow some time for this process to complete. And lo and behold, you now have a video that was created simply by providing a text prompt with your chosen style. It is truly remarkable. You can craft your very own video without the need to generate an image separately or use multiple platforms. With Kaiber, a text prompt is all you need to produce your own video. I am really excited to hear what you think about this. Are you as amazed as I am by how easily text can become a cool videos? It is like magic. I hope you give this platform a try and see what fun things you can create. Whether you are a pro or just want to have some fun, it is a neat way to make stuff. After you have given it a shot, please tell me what you thought in the comments below. I cannot wait to hear what you have to say. Your ideas and experiences could help others who want to try it too. Also, if you had any funny or surprising things happen while you were making videos with text prompts, I'd love to hear about that too. Let us discuss about this cool tool and how we can make creating stuff more fun and easy. Thank you for watching, and again, Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.